going on, guys? Welcome to Devlog number 1 of the survival series. Today I'll be making a resource gathering system, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that once I get in the studio. But if you guys enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and as always, enjoy the video. Alright, so now that I'm in studio, I can start working on the resource gathering system. So what I mean by that is the player is going to spawn in with this rock right here, and they're going to be able to hit this tree. And once it breaks, it's going to drop a few logs. The logs are going to have like proximity prompts attached to them so that you can actually pick them up, because what's the point of having them just lying around on the ground. So yeah, I'm going to get on to making the folders for this, and I'll see you guys when I'm done setting those up. Okay, so I just finished setting up the folders. So what I have here are breakable rocks and breakable trees. So this is where the models are going to go. And once they get broken, there's going to be a thing that I'll probably add into replicated storage. And those folders are going to clone, or there's going to be folders in there that are going to clone the model and put it back into its position. Like the exact position of it. Just so it's not like randomized or whatever. So yeah, that'll be pretty cool. I'm going to get to work on the scripting, and I'll see you guys when I'm done with that. Alright, so now that I'm done scripting the breakable tree, or yeah, the tree breaking system, I'm able to break the tree, and as you can see, it makes a little noise, and there's a little animation that plays, and the tree disappears. Now I need to actually work on a drops thing, so I need something to actually drop out of the tree, so like wood. So I'm going to go work on that right now, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just finished scripting the drop script, so now if I go up to the tree and I hit it, and as you can see, it drops some logs. But I currently have no way of picking these up, so I'm going to go and script that, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright, so I just finished working on the collection system, so now if you go into server scripts, there's going to be a main server script, and player data, materials, and then some int values that will hold the like amount of the material that you have. And now, why is it opening everything? I don't know. Starter player now has a script right here that says eat a pickup. So basically, when the player breaks the tree, it's gonna drop logs, and when you hover your mouse over it, it will say like eat a pickup or eat a collect. Let me close these because it makes my studio really laggy. I'm gonna demonstrate this real quick. So, yep, as you can see, the logs drop. I'm able to collect them, and if I go into players, and then the my player, now as you can see, I have 5 of wood, 0 of stone, since I haven't made that yet, which I'm actually gonna do right now. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I just finished working on the rock system, or the stone system. So now when I break the stone, it'll do the same thing that the tree does. It'll break, and it'll drop some collectible items. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work on the respawning script, so that the stuff will get cloned from like replicated storage, and it'll go into these folders here. So as you can see, this is empty now. It'll move the model from there, and it'll put it into here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just finished scripting the respawn system. So now if I go ahead and break the rock, as you can see, it still drops the stuff, and the tree drops the wood. And now it respawns. And the tree should be here. Yep, there we go. Can break it again. Collect the wood. I don't know why it's not collecting. There we go. I also made it so that the coal, or the ores, like the ores or the rocks or whatever you want to call these, there's a script that'll randomly select one of these and clone it into the breakable rocks folder that I made at the beginning of the video. And then, yeah, get iron. It's pretty cool. That is going to do it for the video, though. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the month, so hopefully I can achieve that goal. And if you guys have any suggestions or ideas for the game, make sure to comment down below those ideas and suggestions. And who knows, maybe those will show up in a future video. But with that, I'll see you guys next time.